What's up guys? Hello and welcome back to IT Master Tech News channel. Today I got my package of Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is very first time for me to get the Fold series from Samsung, and I'm excited of the gray green color, which I really like. I saw it in the showroom and I decided to go this one. I get this one not directly from Samsung, this is from eBay, and I paid for this one $1,100 US, which is 256 gigabyte. And let's move on and open the box to see what we get inside. It should be open box but brand new, because as seller explained to me, it just was opened for activation because of the carrier asked him to do that to get some discount on this one. So this is the packing. Thank for the good packing. And this is the Z Fold 4. It's a gray green color. Every box which has the inside item, it always have the same color of the writing. This side has Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 again, and this is the details regarding the model and California warning. Also it's a U1 model, which means that U1 means factory unlocked model. Regardless, the U, it's a 936U, can be AT&T, T-Mobile, and other version. Let's open the box. So we have the paperwork, and the cable should be here as well. Let's check it out real quick. Yes. So this is the quick start guide, terms and conditions, how you operate your phone. This is about that. This is the USB Type-C cable, original cable from Samsung. And actually I should say that it's not a good. This is a SIM ejector tool, and we have this much for the new models of Samsung as well. As Apple did, everyone now removed the charger brick, which I think for this is the flagship device for the Samsung, and as you know, the Z series is the most expensive device currently Samsung manufactures. Let's see, and what else we have. There is nothing here, and this is the device. I am excited to open this and see how gorgeous it is. I really like this gray green. In reality, it's more bluish rather than green, and it has a matte finish, which is not fingerprint. Let's do the first fold. Yeah, we have a Samsung writing here, and as you can see, it's more bluish rather than green. We have the stereo speakers drill here, and another one here, USB Type-C antenna bars here, and we have a front-facing camera for selfie cut out under the main screen, which is 6.1, and this year model kinda will be better for one hand using before the opening the phone, because it has all plenty area regardless the other versions. We have the camera setup, and this is main camera is 50 megapixel camera. We have ultra wide and we have micro focus camera. Also we have a LED flashlight here. This part is the power button with fingerprint reader, volume rockers, and SIM ejector, SIM tray. So let's open it. So you can see crease is visible, but again, I have done a reviewing the Oppo Find N, which was very good one, and Oppo doesn't have this space between the two parts of the hinge. Hinge is pretty well rebuilt and tinted very well to become the more stable and more usable, and you can use hinge at any angle unless you reach this part, and that goes to up there. And in this mode you can use as a small kind of laptop mode, and mainly I bought this device to be used as a daily driver and trying to use as a small computer to do my remote work, which I am when I am outside and there is emergency cases, I will be able to do that. And this is it for the moment, guys. Let's try to see if there is any juice on it. I think there is no power and I need to recharge the device because it came to me more than 40 days. So I assume I need to charge the device, and I will come back to you later on when I will have the charge on it and doing some updates. I think I know that Android 13 released for the Z Fold already, and I will share my opinion after using this device. I'm so excited, and I am moving from Pixel 6a to this device. Stay well, stay cool. Peace, guys. See you in the next one.